Okay. Hello.
Hi everybody, welcome back. I am very excited today because we are doing a food story and I'm here with one of my best friends in the whole entire world, Jen.
Hi.
Hello. We are going to be making a peach pie.
Yes.
I've never heard the story. I've never been here for Jason's birthday. I don't think I've ever
it's a special Jason's birthday pie.
Yes. So Jen's gonna tell me all about it and then we're going to make it.
It's not a memory for me as much as it is a Jason family tradition. So when I first met him, every year for his birthday, we would go over to his mom's house and she would have this peach pie. Every single year, peach pie, peach pie, peach pie. And I asked about it and asked what the story was behind it. And apparently when Jason was born and became, you know, old enough, Jason's mom eat pie. Yeah. So Jason's grandmother would make it every year for grandfather's birthday. And then Jason's mom would make it every year for his birthday, for Jason's birthday. And so I got to be a part of that when we were dating and kind of see her make the pie.
Right.
And then when we were going to be getting married on my bridal shower, she passed down the recipe to me. Kind of like a passing the torch, like
I'm not doing
it anymore, and you know, you're the new woman in his life, so this is kind of like a family tradition that we have, so here's the recipe, happy wedding. And so for the past 5 years, I've gotten the chance to make him that pie for his birthday. I thought it made me like more a part of their family. And the first time that I made it, I would call her and be like, oh, am I doing this right? And how long does this have to chill for? And
she must have
and
loved
then she
that.
loved that because, you know, she loved having her daughter-in-law like need her or ask her questions and kind of make her a part of the experience. And then when Jackson was old enough, we would let him stay up. And I think last year was the first year we let him stay up and be a part of the pie tradition. So we sang happy birthday to Daddy, and then Jackson got to eat the pie for the first time. So I think that was really special.
So now it's like going to be a part. I mean, that will be a part
of our family.
His life for the rest of his life, probably.
Traditions are so important to me.
Jen loves traditions, and it's wonderful because you always make things really special for everyone.
I try. Crust is like the best part because it's a homemade crust. It's nothing but graham crackers and butter blended together and then pressed into a pie pan. And a couple years ago, I just went for the store-bought pie crust because, you know, I have 2 kids. I don't have time to make pie crust from scratch. And Jason was like, no, that's not okay. Please don't do that. It's my birthday. I want the crust. So you gotta mash up graham crackers, melt butter, blend that all together, and press it into the pan.
I love a graham cracker crust.
It's so good. We fight over the crust. Oh, FYI too, on his birthday, we don't like slice it. It's not a pie that you slice.
Oh my gosh.
So we just get the pan and just like full on 2 forks go in.
Wait, do you eat the whole pie?
Usually not on one night. It's more like a 2-night.
It's happened?
It's you've met my husband. It's more like a 2-night eat.
Yeah.
But because it's a no-bake pie, so because it's kind of all smushy anyway, you can't really cut it. It's more like
it would all
base. You know, it's like milk, and so the pie itself is just evaporated milk, sugar, and peaches, and butter, and lemon. Like, that's pretty much it.
Pour it all in. And
you just pour it all in, and then you chill it. So it's a no-bake. It's a pie that you chill, cold pie, and then you can't really slice that. So we just kind of go all
get in there. Are you gonna have to make like bigger pie, like once Jackson starts wanting to actually eat like a lot of pie? Well, then
maybe it'll only go on one night then.
It's gonna turn into a one-night pie.
One-night pie.
Thank you for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for making a video with me.
Of course, and it was so special.
Yeah, and telling me about like, I don't know, just like another tradition that you guys have.
Yes.
I love like being a part of your family, and now I feel
Are
like
part of our family.
now I know like one more tradition that you guys have. So you know when it's Jason's birthday, I'll know that
Now
you guys
you
are
can
eating
think of
pie.
this.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to get notifications when I make new videos. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.
Ah, no touch.
Ooh. What is it?
That's a peach. You see peach?
Okay, here's Daddy's birthday pie.
Happy birthday.
This is Sarah's first time trying it. You like it? You like it?
Here, look. Look at you.
There's Jules. There's Jules. There you are.
Pull me up. Pull me up.
Come in, Daddy. Okay, let me pull you up
So I can.
so you can see yourself. Boom. There's Jackson.
I was just saying thank you. Mommy?
Wow.
You try.
I can't
I can't touch the ground.
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. I'll take it.
Definitely couldn't do that. Ella.
More to go. Like the line was right there.
Wait, can Stella?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Okay, Daddy and Stella and Jackson.
Oh. Okay, Mom gets a break.
Gladly.
Stay right here, Daddy.
Can I stand here?
Stay right here, Mommy.
Oh, okay, so we're all playing.
Do you want to play, Jules?
Go.
Throw it to Daddy.
With me.
Good girl, Jules.
Let's go high.
Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy.
Here it goes.
Go, Daddy.
Oh my gosh, you can't even see it.
Okay, buddy, it's time to go inside. One more throw.
Whoa!